This is question number 14 on the November 2014 non-calculator paper. It says here that Susha has a full 600 ml bottle of wallpaper remover. She's going to mix some wallpaper remover with water. Here's the information on the label of the bottle. Wallpaper remover, there's 600 ml in the bottle. Mix a quarter of the wallpaper remover with 450 ml of water. Susha is going to use 750 ml of water. How many milliliters of wallpaper remover should Susha use? And you must show all your work in. So they want you to show all stages of your work in throughout this. So I'm going to try to break this problem down. It is quite wordy. There's a lot of information, but you need to make sure you understand what you need to do and think about the maths that you need to do in order to work out how many milliliters of wallpaper remover she should use. So I'm going to start off with the fact that in the question it says, first of all, I need to mix a quarter of the wallpaper remover. So there's 600 ml of wallpaper remover in the bottle, so I need to work out a quarter of 600 milliliters. Okay, to work out a quarter of something, you half it and then half it again, or you can divide it by 4. Half of 600 is 300, half of 300 is 150. So a quarter of the bottle, a quarter of the 600 ml is 150 ml. So according to the instructions on the bottle, you need to mix 4,500 milliliters of water with 150 milliliters of remover. Okay, so that's what they've told us to do on the water bottle, on the wallpaper remover bottle itself. In the question, this says she's going to use 750 ml of water. So if she uses 750 ml of water, I need to work out how much wallpaper remover she needs to use with that. That's the question, and that's the bit of maths that I need to think about how I'm going to do this. Now I'm going to work out how many times 750 goes into 4,500. Right? I need to think about that proportion, and then if I do the same proportion to 150 ml of wallpaper remover, I'll be able to work out what I need here. So if I think about this, how many 750s go into 4,500? Right? In other words, what do I need to divide by over there? So to think about that, I'm going to think about the 750 times table. So I'm going to do 750. I'm going to work my way up to see how many 750s make 4,500. So if I keep on adding 750, add on 750 to that, that gives me 1,500. If I add on another 750, that's 2,250. Add on another 750, that's 3,000. Add another 750, that's 3,750. Add another 750, that makes 4,500. So I've got there. And how many of them are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lots of 750 make 4,500. So in other words, 4,500 divided by 6 is going to give me 750. So I need to do the same on this side. Divide 150 by 6. I'm going to use the bust up method for that. And if I do 150 divided by 6, 6 goes into 1. Well, it can't. 6 into 15 is 2. The remainder is 3. 6 times 2 is 12. Remainder would therefore be 3. 6 into 30 is 5. So therefore that means that you need 25 milliliters of wallpaper remover. And I'm going to write 25 in my answer space. So that's what you need to do in order to answer this question. This is quite a wordy question. A lot of people miss this out. A lot of people leave it because it looks particularly complicated. You need to break it down, think about it in stages, and make sure you are able to do it. The maths is pretty straightforward. Just need to think about how you solve the problem to get to the answer.